Tired of that monthly Audible charge, but not sure how to cancel on your iPhone? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, you'll need to check where you subscribed. Did you sign up directly through Audible or through the Apple App Store? This makes a huge difference if you subscribe through the App Store. Open your iPhone's App Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. On the account screen, find and tap the subscriptions option. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions managed through Apple. If Audible is listed, tap on it. Now, you'll see the details of your Audible subscription. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you should find a Cancel Subscription button. Tap that button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your cancellation. It might even try to tempt you with a special offer to stay. If you're sure you want to cancel, confirm your choice. You should now see that your Audible subscription is listed as expires on date. This means you've successfully canceled, and you won't be charged again after that date. You can still enjoy your benefits until the expiration date. But what if you don't see Audible listed in your Apple subscriptions? This means you subscribe directly through the Audible website. You cannot cancel through the App Store. Instead, open a web browser on your iPhone, Safari or Chrome, and go to Audible's website, audible.com. Log into your account. Navigate to your account details. The exact location might vary slightly depending on the Audible website's design, but look for something like account details, subscription details, or membership details within your account settings. You should find an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. And that's it. Whether you subscribe through Apple or directly with Audible, you now know how to cancel your subscription on your iPhone. Enjoy the peace of mind, and remember to manage your subscriptions regularly to avoid unwanted charges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.